Welcome to the dynamic world of hotel management, where exceptional communication is the most sought-after skill. Enter the M-Sure Hotel Management Program, your ticket to mastering this critical skill. Immerse yourself in modules designed to teach effective interactions with guests, staff, and management, fostering a seamless hospitality experience. The program doesn't stop there. It emphasizes problem-solving and adaptability, preparing you to navigate a variety of challenges. Gain hands-on experience in M-Sure's state-of-the-art facilities, sharpening skills like leadership and decision-making. Plus, the curriculum is integrated with technology, ensuring you're proficient in modern hotel management systems. M-Sure's holistic approach means you'll not only gain theoretical knowledge, but also practical exposure. You'll become adept at handling real-world scenarios, emerging as a highly sought-after professional in the competitive hotel management industry, ready to thrive in diverse and dynamic hotel environments.